Observe here, ma. So again it is also 2's complement subtraction, and in the 2's complement subtraction, case 2. Case 2 is smallest number minus largest number. That means we are subtracting larger number from the smaller number. That is s minus l. S is nothing but smaller number and l is nothing but larger number. And this smaller number is called as minute and larger number is called as subtrahend. Next, this case also I am explaining with one example step by step. So this is the example I have taken. So 5 minus 10. We want to perform subtraction on 5 and 10 by using 2's complement method. First, convert this into binary. So binary representation for this 5 is 0 1 0 1, and binary representation for this 10 is 1 0 1 0. Finally, you need to perform subtraction. So this is called as minute and this is called as subtrahend. All of you remember one thing, by observing the given example, the first and foremost step is to identify the minute and subtrahend along with the case, that is nothing but smaller number minus larger number or larger number minus smaller number. This is the very important step. So after identifying minute and subtrahend, we will follow the steps. Step 1. Find out 2's complement of subtrahend. Here in this example, subtrahend is this one, 1 0 1 0. Subtrahend is 1 0 1 0. So 2's complement is nothing but 1's complement plus 1. First I am finding 1's complement for this subtrahend. For this 1's complement is nothing but 0 1 0 1. So now I am finding 2's complement. 0 1 0 1 is the 1's complement. I am adding 1. 1 plus 1 0, carry of 1. Again 0 plus 1 1. Here 0 1. So this is the 2's complement for the subtrahend. Step 1 completed. Again here step 2. Add this 2's complement of subtrahend to minute. Here in this example, this is the minute. Here minute is equal to 0 1 0 1, and now I want to add the 2's complement of subtrahend to the minute. This is the 2's complement of subtrahend. So now I want to add these two numbers together. 1 plus 0 1, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 1 0, carry of 1. Here 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 1. So the important point you need to identify here is, in the second step there is no carry. In the second step here there is no carry here. Step 3. No carry and result is in 2's complement form. So this simply, in the third step, no need to find out or do anything. Simply you need to write this step, no carry and result is in 2's complement form. Finally, step 4. In the step 4, simply perform 2's complement on the result in step 2. So this, if you observe here, this is the result in step 2. So perform 2's complement on this result. So to perform 2's complement, first we want to find out 1's complement and then add 1 to that 1's complement. First I am considering the result here. 1 0 1 1. This is the result in second step. I want to find out 2's complement for 1 0 1 1. So first 1's complement is nothing but 0 1 0 0. Next 2's complement 0 1 0 0 plus 1, that is 0 1 0 1. So this is the final result, which is equal to 5. And another point here you need to remember is you need to put minus sign in front of the result. You need to add minus sign in front of the result. So these are the two cases of subtraction in 1's complement and 2's complement. Case 2. So if you observe here, this is case 2 for 1's complement subtraction, and this is the case 2 for 2's complement subtraction. If you observe here, the main differences here is in 1's complement subtraction, simply we are find outing 1's complement for the upper hand. Similarly, in the 2's complement subtraction method, simply we are find outing 2's complement here in the first step. Finally, in the fourth step, take 2's complement on the result in second step. Here, if you observe here, simply perform 1's complement on the result in step 2 and put minus sign. So these are the two cases of explanation.